Hello mga sismars, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, mag-unboxing na naman tayo ng isang Android phone. So we have here the Samsung Galaxy A06. We purchased this one sa online lang na nagkakahalagang 3,000 plus, and originally this is worth 5,000 plus pesos. I'm not quite sure sa specific range ng kanyang price, pero yun lang yung alam kong price range niya. Anyways, so we have here the Samsung Galaxy A06. The color that we purchased is light blue. Okay, so nothing's new pagdating sa kanyang box. Nabuksan na namin to. Syempre, we need to check the unit if by any chance meron bang problem agad-agad pagkadating. So, check na natin agad ang ating unit. So, later on, tabi muna natin si phone. And then, let's check the inclusion. So, we have here the SIM eject tool or pin ejector. We also have here the power cord. Oh, Type-C to Type-C. Charging cord na tayo. And we also have here Samsung Care. Well, actually, this one is good. Pinakagusto ko talaga is Type-C to Type-C na charging cord. Kasi mas mabilis kang makakapag-charge if Type-C to Type-C yung iyong cord. Okay. Alright, so wala naman iba, walang charger of course, and then walang jelly case or anything. Okay. So, gilid lang natin to ng very, very light, and then let's proceed checking the side-by-side details of this. Ang hirap naman ikabit dito. Ay, yun nga pala, pag ganun pala siya, hinihila pala siya. Pinipilit ko siyang ikabit. Okay. Ayan. And then slide natin siya. Tabi natin siya. Meron tayo ditong power button, volume rocker. Sa bottom part, we have the speaker. We have the charging port, earphone jack. Left side corner, we have here the SIM tray. Ayan. So, meron tayo ditong microphone. Okay, so both, meron tayong bottom part and upper part ng microphone. So, ayan yung ating camera module. As you can see, we have two lens and a flash. The vibe is very classy and aesthetic. The texture, para siyang matte finish with sort of something na like guhit-guhit na effect. We have Samsung brand. Yung kulay niya, it's more like a grayish blue na tone ng color. Ayan. So, if you're going to tilt the unit, ayan yung ating Samsung Galaxy A06. So, open lang natin to, and then, setup ko siya real quick, balikan ko kayo. So, ayan, setup na natin yung ating Samsung Galaxy A06. So, check natin yung settings. So, please bear with me right now since nasa labas kasi kami nag-unbox. Yan yung aming view. Ayan yung aking asawa. Ayan, aming anak. So, nandito kasi kami ngayon sa Baywalk, kaya medyo maingay yung ating unboxing. Ayan. So, settings tayo mga sismars. Taas natin yung brightness since nasa labas tayo. Ayan. Okay, so about phone, camera.
Ilang price na lang?
Dalawa.
Sa isa?
Dapat pala potato corner pala binili natin. Plain lang. So far, yun lang naman yung unboxing natin with the Samsung Galaxy A06. Again, mga sismars, if you want to purchase this Samsung Galaxy A06, just click the yellow basket or the basket here sa left side corner na ating video. Or pwede nyo din i-click yung link sa ating description box.